Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shahid, you can able to hear my voice. My voice is clear. Shahid, I could not able to hear your voice. Shahid, are you there? I could not able to hear your voice.
हाँ मनान सर वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Yeah, I want to ask you that yesterday how many members are present in class? Can you able to tell those names?
Actually, I'm sorry. Yesterday also I am not here or coordinating. That's why I am with Sultan
No,
Saab.
no. Yesterday's class you recorded. Now in that you cannot able to see how many members are came or
No,
not.
no. Actually, I am not present here. I am not hosting
Okay,
that time.
okay, okay. Okay, guys. Can you able to tell us who present yesterday's class? How many members present on yesterday class? Okay, one. Kindly hand raise. Only one. Here three members are joined, but in that only one member was raising hand. Sohail Ahmed, you came yesterday. You, you attended. Okay, two. Okay. Can you able to tell what our guest speaker what he asked you guys? Can you able to tell me what he asked? Yeah, Qayyum Faiz, yesterday guys, you attend the class. Kindly raise hands. Okay, mashallah. Can you able to tell us yesterday class what happened? Okay. Yeah, Aisha, yesterday you attend the class. Kindly raise your hand. One Aisha Siddiqa is there. One Aisha Galaxy A30s.
Who is Aisha
Kindly raise
Galaxy?
the hand if you attend. What?
Who is Aisha Galaxy?
Yeah, here two Aishas is there. One Aisha's Galaxy A30. Okay. Atia Muhammad. Okay.
Atiya Mahmood. Okay.
Sohail Ahmed, yesterday you did not attend the class. Kindly unmute yourself and tell me why I am asking you guys. Why? Because yesterday's class video I saw only 2 to 3 students who are attending daily my class. But you guys also attending my class. But our guest sir was asking some questions. You guys are not giving those answers related to your class only. Why I don't know.
Answered, sir.
Yeah, yesterday he asked you some few questions, but you guys are not given proper answer. I tell to one of our student Aisha Siddiqa, if you are maintaining notes, na, at least you have to see in notes and you have to give answer, na. I could not able to hear your voice. And Atia Muhammad, you also, if you are maintaining notes, you can able to tell answer, na, in yesterday's class. Why? Because what happened means if I did not took yesterday's class or else today's class also I did not took. any guest speaker will ask related to your class questions only. If you guys won't give answer, what they think, just you are coming for time pass, or else just you are joining for time pass means just we paid for this course and that's why we are joining just only for time pass. Why? Because the corona is there, our whole institutes are closed, all are studying online. If you are thinking these kind of ideas in your mind means you are in loss. Why? Because you are wasting your time and you are not giving proper answer to our any sir, to me also, or else to, in absence of mine, any guest speaker also. If they ask, if you are not giving proper answer means it's loss your time only.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Atya Muhammad, you want to tell
Assalamu
something?
alaikum, sir. Sir, I
Alaikum
am
salam.
Atya's mother, sir. She was down
Yeah,
with
yeah,
fever for 2 weeks. I have already informed. Yesterday only she
yeah,
attended
yeah.
the class. That is
Okay,
why
okay.
she could not do
No
her work,
issue.
sir.
Okay, okay, I understand.
Thank you, sir.
You informed me already. You did me a phone call. I understand. What about others? I am telling to others. Okay. Qayyum
Thank you, sir.
Faiz, you
Yes, sir.
given me, you given some answers. You given some answers, but in that answers also you did some mistake. But still, I congratulate you and Fahama. Why? Because and our Sayyid Naimuddin. Yesterday I saw
Thank you, sir.
in our class video. In that you guys are giving best answers. Okay. Still hope from you guys. Why? Because you are attending a class daily, na. If you are, if you guys are not giving proper answer, means it's loss for me. Why? Because daily you are attending and not giving proper answer. Okay. Okay. Now I'll explain you once. Few students is there, they are thinking that we have to convert meter file in feet. If you guys are converted already meter file in feet, uh, you did lot of mistakes. Why? Because if you do in same file only, see in this file, this is a feet, you can able to see here the value is showing 0 feet 0 inches. If it is in meters, you can able to change. See, I am showing two files here. Now I selected these files. That's why here it's showing how much? 0 feet 0 inches. Now I selected here. You can able to see here 0.00. Okay. Fahama, you can able to see my screen. Fahama.
Yes.
Yeah. For you only I'm showing. See, this is our meters drawing. What we did in meters. This is separate drawing and this is separate drawing. Okay. No need to confuse. If you guys will change this meter file into feet directly, the whole drawing dimensions will collapse. Means the whole drawing will get wrong. While you are selecting a dimension to this room or else a washroom area, the whole dimension will collapse. Okay. Better you have to take separate file. If you are using fit drawing na, you have to open separate. And how you did setting for meter na, as it is you have to do settings. But in that when you are selecting decimal, you have to select architecture. Why? Because you are doing a fit drawing. Okay. For this is why? Because why I'm showing this, you guys are doing drawing in same file means its whole drawings will collapse, which previously you did na, again you have to draw. Okay. No, don't do like that. You have to draw, you have to take a separate file for feet and separate file for meters. Okay. You can able to understand. Now in this door schedule, window schedule and ventilator schedule, you guys can observe one thing. Yes, day before yesterday I shown you. See, our door size was 2 feet 6 inches. Okay. Our means this is D2 I am telling. Our door height was 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, here you can able to see 2 feet 9 inches. Okay, the same thing over here. Our door opening was 2 feet 5 inches, but here 1 feet 6 inches. Nobody asked me this line related to this line. This line was too big and this line was too small. You guys could not able to understand this thing.
Yes.
You guys could not observe on this drawing. Anyone can able to tell me? Yeah, Faiz, you are telling something.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Kindly observe this drawing. Okay. You can able to see these dimensions na over here.
Yes, sir. Able to see.
Okay. I am drawing this ventilator V. You can able to see the size. Okay. I am taking just L line. Okay. Or else I will take rectangle using shortcut key RAC. Okay. See here 3 feet, comma 1 feet 6 inches. Okay. See what is the size. Now I am taking a dimension for this. This size, how we can able to show here? Now I will show the dimension over here. See, what's the dimension?
4, comma
Here
5
1
half.
feet 6 inches. No, 1 feet 6 inches here, and now I am taking in front of you. You can able to see the dimension. How much?
4
4
feet
feet
5.
5 inches. And here in top of you can able to, I am showing 3 feet. Now I am taking the dimension from here. See how much? Nearly 9 feet. I will show today how we can able to take. Okay. Yeah. Day before yesterday, I shown you this dimension text you have. Just you have to type it over here. 3 feet 0 inches. Okay. Here also same thing. 1 feet 6 inches. Okay. Now, if you want to reduce the size, you can able to reduce by using edit. Then you have to select whole. You can able to reduce the size from here. We will reduce 4.5 inches. Okay. Same thing for this dimension also. Here 4.5. Okay. Now you guys can able to see when I'm stretching, and one more time I will show you. Take one dimension. One dimension we edited. Okay. This okay. One dimension that was not edited. Okay. See the both dimensions. Now I am doing stretch command. For stretch SC. Okay. SC. And selecting the corner. Okay. Now just I will took this one. Okay. See. You can able to see these dimensions. Just I stretch the whole frame. Which dimension I edited na, that dimension text was not changed. The dimension text I did not change. The dimension was increased. You can able to understand this command stretch. Guys, I am telling to you only. I am speaking with you. If you guys are not talking with me, I could not able to understand you. You can able to understand this command, na? Yeah, Fahama. This command you understand,
Stretch
na?
command is SC enter.
For SC, stretch command, shortcut key was SC.
SC
Okay.
enter na sir.
Yeah, I'll show
SC
again.
enter na.
See this one. Yeah, I'll show again. See, I'm just moving this object over here. Okay, now I'm doing stretch. I selected already. Stretch command using SC. This is scale. Okay, for using for doing stretch, we have to use this one. Okay, in scale, how much you can able to take, you can able to take here. Okay, just I will do approx 1 feet. If you will select 1 feet, means it will go up to, you could not able to imagine, the size will increase. Okay, just you have to make approx to our size, just you have to select like this. Okay, if you want this much size of your box, just you have to press. Okay, you can able to select which dimension I edited na, the dimension value was not changed. Which this dimension I did not edit the dimension text, that's why the size was increased. You can able to see both the dimensions. This dimension I edited, this dimension I did not edit it. Okay, if you want to see this is the accurate size of this line, you can able to see here. Okay, see, this is the accurate size. How much we have to take, we taken the line, you can able to see this one. Okay, this is scale, and you call it as stretch. Okay, and day before yesterday we draw this one, and in this we have to place a door. How you we can able to place a door, you guys can able to know, but still I'll show in our feet. In meters we already insert doors value and windows value. Okay, I'll copy this doors, CO, enter. Okay, and removing whole dimensions, delete, delete, delete. This one also same thing I'm doing. Okay, now we have to create in block. Why? Because the whole lines are separate. Okay, we have to keep in block. Same command, B enter. First we have to write door, door D. Okay, we have to select a pick point. We will select here. Okay, we have to select whole object. We selected, then enter. Okay, just we have to press OK. See, the whole object in block. Same thing for this another one also. DOOR, door, that is D1. Okay, again you have to select a pick point from here and select whole object. Okay, see, same thing. Door, D2. Pick point, I selected pick point and selecting whole object again. Okay, okay, selecting whole object, enter. Okay, see here. Again same thing for D3. DOOR, door, D3. So D3. Okay, again I'm selecting pick point for this one and selecting whole object for this, then okay. Okay, now I am deleting whole thing. How we can able to bring from insert, I enter. Okay, you can able to see here. Now we want door D. Okay, now I'll paste it over here. Okay, Just you have to move the text. Same thing for D2. Insert. See, door 2. Okay. Okay. Here you have to rotate. First we will do mirror. Okay. MI. Yeah. Y. Okay. I'll show. I already shown you how to use mirror command. Again, I'll show. We just press mirror MI shortcut key. When we selected and clicking upwards, okay, here showing N. If if you are continuing with enter, there is N is there. The same object will overlap over here. Means this one was west. That's why we have to mirror only this object. Means we have to select the same object and mirror MI enter. Yes, you have to select and move up to top. Okay. Here you have to place Y. Okay. Rotate. Then just you have to place over here. Okay. The same thing again you have to copy and paste. Okay. These doors will center. And now here D1 is there. Okay. Now we have to take again from insert this D1. Okay. You have to rotate. Rotate. Why? Because you can able to keep our door opening this side or else this side. Why? Because here there is not there any kind of wall. Okay. That's why I'm showing door opening this side. Okay. If you want to show this opening this side also. Okay. And here also same thing, insert D1 we want. Okay. Now here again you have to do mirror. Then Y enter. Now you have to rotate it. RO 90 degrees. Yes, you have to move and keep it in wall center. Okay. Now here you can able to copy. Sorry, here you have to do again mirror. By enter, you have to keep in center of wall. Okay. Now just you have to select this object. You have to do again mirror. Okay. From this center line. Okay. Now which door is left? That is D3. Insert again. You have to come D3. Okay. Now just you have to rotate it. Enter. You have to move. Again you have to insert it. D3. If you want to keep a door like this, you can able to keep by using mirror. Okay. Same door I'll copy and paste in another one. Okay. This is your door openings. Okay. Like this you have to show. First we have to draw as it is in dimension. Then you have to make a block. After that block you can able to paste by using insert. Okay. You have to bring whole object from insert. Then you have to paste. Okay. Okay, today I want to start new. For the time being, we could not able to start. Anyhow, related to today's class, how we did block and insert. Related to today's class, if you guys have any doubt, you can able to ask. Okay, we have more 10 to 12 minutes. Okay. Why? Because in 10 to
Sir,
12
can you
minutes
show
we could
how
not
to draw
able
the door?
to cover that. Okay, okay. I'll show. First, you assume this dimensions. I'll show you. Now I will draw this door D. Okay. I'm using rectangle. Okay. See here, 4 feet, comma 1 feet 10 inches. Okay. I'm taking this value. Okay. 4 feet and 1 feet 10 inches. Okay.
Yes.
I am pressing enter. See here. Now I am exploding. Why? Because when I'm selecting one side, the whole object was getting selected. I want to reduce, means I want to divide these lines by using explode command, that is x enter. Okay, you can able to see the whole lines are divided. Okay, now I am taking 2 inches for our door frame. Okay, yeah, this is our door frame. You can able to see here, this is 2 inches. Okay, this is our door frame, that's why I am showing in height. Okay, this is our door frame. For this we are leaving here 2 inches. Okay, now we have to give a dimension. We have to give offset for our door, that is 1 inch. Okay, I'm taking 1 inch from here, 1 inch from here. Now I have to give a opening indication, that is by using arc command. Okay, that is a enter. Okay, if you don't know shortcut key, you can able to take from here also. Okay, you can able to see here arc. Okay, see this many types of arcs is there. Okay, we will take this one. Okay, from midpoint to this one. Okay, if you want to take this one, or else you directly you can able to press a enter. Okay, just in here you have to do trim by using tr. First select single object, then you have to press enter and select which object you have to make a trim. You have to make trim this object. Okay, see, if you want to increase some little more arc, means you can able to increase from here. Okay, you see how was our shape. Okay, again you have to do a mirror. Okay, now here you have to
Mirror
do trim.
command, sir. Mirror,
What?
mirror,
What?
mirror. For mirror,
Mirror command I'll show you. I'm selecting this object. Mirror command shortcut key MI enter. Okay, enter. See, if you don't know command, you can able to take from here. Okay, mirror you can able to see now.
yes, 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 sir. Able to see.
The mirror shortcut key was MI. Okay. What Fahama? What you're telling?
Rectangle measurements, what do you
I could not able to hear you.
for drawing the door, you use the rectangle command, right?
Yeah.
So what was the measurement for feet?
Rectangle command. Which dimensions I took? Okay. Your question was this, na?
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you. See, this is our rectangle command dimensions. Okay, first I am taking for our main door. This is our 4 feet. Okay, and this is our door opening. This is our door height. How much? 1 feet 10 inches. This value and this value I took over here. See, you can able to see na, 1 feet 10 inches, 1 feet 10 inches. Then 4 feet our main door length. That's why I am taking here 4 feet. Fahama, you can able to understand, na? These values I am taking for creating a door. Okay, now Faiz, you can able to see here how I am doing a mirror.
Yes, sir.
Selecting this object and I enter. Okay, see, I am selecting this object. When we are doing a mirror for door, na, In that we are using, we selected this one, and here we are giving y value. Here n value is there. If I press here y, see these are we shown here na, that automatically whole object will mirror as different side, different side. Okay. In this you have to do only n. You have to keep here n value. See, and again I'm selecting over here. Here you have to keep same thing. That's why you have to
No,
just
sir.
press
After
enter.
entering MI enter, what we have to do after that?
See, MI enter. What here showing select object. Okay, you have to just select object. Then press again enter. Okay. Now you have to took from center. Just we are taken from center, one click, and leaving here. In this part here showing n na, you have to keep it over same thing. Okay. See, again we press enter.
Got it,
The
sir. Got
object will
it.
come. Okay. Now here we have to do trim. Here I am doing trim for this one and here. Okay. Now here and here. Okay. I am removing these dimensions. Okay. See. Okay. Same like this only. Again I am taking rectangle for D1. Okay. You guys can able to see here 3 feet comma 2 feet 8 inches. Okay. See this one. This is 3 feet and this is 2 feet 8 inches. Here you can able to see D1 2 feet 8 inches, 3 feet. Okay. Fahama.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes.
See, again now I'm reducing this. Now I'm exploding these lines. Okay.
Explode command. E.
Okay. Now I'm doing offset. O enter. I'm giving 2 inches from this side and this side for our door frame. Okay. Now I am giving the value for our door, that is 1 inch. Okay. The same thing again. I'm giving arc by using A command, shortcut key A. Okay. Okay. Now you have to do trim again, selecting first object, then you have to do this second object. Okay. Now I am reducing this one, trim. Okay. And this one also. Okay. This line. Now I am deleting these lines. Okay. If you want to increase some little bit, you can able to increase for your opening. Okay. See here. If you want to show, if you want to see a dimension, you can able to see. Okay. This one. Okay. The same thing for here also. Our D2, that is 2 feet 9 inches comma 2 feet 5. The same thing. Explode, offset 2 inches for our door frame. Okay. Now we have to give door value, that is 1 inch. Again you have to take arc command by using arc shortcut key A. Now you have to do trim again, selecting first object. Okay. Now here you have to do trim again. Okay. For this one also, just you have to select these lines and delete it over here. See, for this also you can able to see here door dimensions. See, like this you have to create a doors. Okay. You guys can able to understand na? how we can able to
Yes, sir.
show the opening
Yes.
of our main door, bedroom door and washroom area door. Okay. That's why I'm giving here detailed dimensions. You guys did not have any confusion while drawing or else while showing a door openings. Okay. Any more questions related to today's class? If you have any kind of doubts, if you have any kind of doubts, or else if you have any kind of questions, you can able to ask. We have more 4 minutes. Okay. In that 4 minutes, I'll try to explain you or else we will take tomorrow. Okay. If you have any kind of questions, you can able to raise your hands or else unmute yourself. Aisha Siddiqa, you can able to understand today's class?
Yes, sir.
No more doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Atiya Fatima, or else what is she's name? Aisha's Galaxy A30s. You have any kind of doubt related to today's class? Fahama,
Yes, sir.
you have any doubt? Okay, Barakallahu fi. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow. Okay. Anyhow, our time also finished related to today's class. Okay. Inshallah, we will come tomorrow with a new drawing and with new knowledge. Okay. Inshallah, we'll meet tomorrow. And again, I'm telling, if anybody did not submit their assignments and their notes, kindly submit their assignment and their notes. Related means how many members are submitting their assignments and their notes, they only we will issue a certificate, and for them only we will took exam last. Okay, in after finishing our course, at last at the end of the day, I will take a test for those candidates only who are submitting their assignments. For them only I'll took a test, and them only we will issue a certificate. Okay. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.